Driving and passing on a hard shoulder, rules of the road. Only emergency vehicles are allowed to utilize the road shoulders. Unless it is required to prevent an accident or to remove a disabled car from the road, drivers should generally avoid using the shoulder. States may have different laws governing when and how drivers may utilize the shoulder of the road. While the broad recommendations listed below are generally applicable, it is extremely important to consult your local driver's manual for state-specific legislation. Even during the day, make sure to turn on your warning lights when halting a disabled car on the road shoulder. Guidelines for using the right shoulder. A driver may use the shoulder on the right side of the road if necessary, and it is safe to do so to 1. Park, pause, or wait. 2. Speed up to join the flow of traffic in the main lanes of traffic. 3. Slow down before turning. 4. Permit other cars to pass. 5. Pass a vehicle that is stopped, disabled, or making a left turn in the right driving lane. 6. Prevent collisions. 7. Make way for a vehicle carrying out emergency services that is flashing its lights and blasting its siren. 8. Allow space for a biker. 9. Obey directions given by a traffic control device, a police officer, or another someone with the authority to guide traffic. Guidelines for using the left shoulder. When using the shoulder, it is typically safer and more sensible to do so on the right side of the road. However, unusual situations could call for the usage of the left shoulder. For example, 1. If you need to pull over to remove a disabled car off the road or for another reason but are unable to access the right-hand shoulder due to traffic or other road conditions. 2. If avoiding a collision by utilizing the left shoulder. 3. Creating room for a vehicle that will respond to emergencies. 4. If a traffic control device or authorized traffic control staff instructs you to utilize the left shoulder. Traffic moving by on the shoulder. In order to pass another car, drivers must never drive into the road shoulder. If passing in the main driving lane will result in an accident, such as if the motorist in front of you abruptly stops and you have no time to slow down to prevent hitting them, then using the shoulder is only acceptable. Every state forbids using the road shoulder to swerve around stopped or slow-moving cars. Avoid the temptation to use the shoulder in this manner since it will irritate and endanger other drivers. Driving recklessly is when you drive in the shoulder to pass other cars. You risk receiving a serious ticket, having points added to your license, or having your license suspended.